Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm gonna show you how to request collaborator access in Shopify. So simply, in order to do this, just you have to click on the settings, and after that just you have to click on users and permission, and now scroll down. So now here you can see this option is available. So when you have some kind of access notification, so notification option appear. So just when you click on the notification, and you can easily find the option request collaborator access. So when you find the notification from someone, you can easily approve the collaborator access of the relevant person.